You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary and words that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Evanescent. Stress on that third ne syllable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar as evanescent. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and remember, evanescent, evanescent. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.